So hello guys, welcome back to another video on coding compass. Today let's learn about the different data types in Python part 3. So guys, now we are going to learn about the sets data type in Python. So a set is an unordered collection of elements, which means it doesn't need to be in ascending, descending, or any order. Even if you write in like ascending order, you can change the order to any way it like. And yeah, the order of element is not maintained in the set. It means the element may not appear in the same order as they enter. Moreover, set does not duplicate elements. To create a set, let's just name it as equal to and curly brackets, and we can write anything we want, anything like it just give you some gibberish like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Somewhere I forgot to put comma, and yeah, if I write again the same value like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, yeah, now this is set data type. Now if we do print, yes, see, first of all, only one is there, only there is one representing each. And you may ask, why is it not arranged? Yeah, in this version it won't arrange, but usually in the older versions of Python it will arrange. Now they'll just make a set like 10, 20, 30, 20, 50. And yeah, if I just play it, see here guys, you just only do print 10, 20, 50, 30. But here guys, see, 10, 20, 50 and 30 has been changed. So this is where the variables are just changed. We enter the variables in order 10, 20, 30, 20, 50, but it's showing another order. Also we repeated the element 20 in the set, but it's stored only 120. We can use the set function also to create some set, like, yeah, as I have said before, changing a type of a data is set and put a bracket. Anything weight will be changed to set. Let's just write the string subscribe. This is a pretty much a good example because it contains 2s, right? So it will work. If I just play it, it won't describe as subscribe. It will just do like SUBCRIBE, but in different arranged orders. See here guys, SUBCRIBE. So guys, so these are not in the same order, different order, that too by character. So guys, you may ask, how is it useful? In your early life you would have played some games like it will display a huge word like strawberry, and it will ask to, I'll just correct this, and it just ask to a second guys, just, yeah, strawberry, and just ask to make many words with the same letters as in strawberry. So you can use this set function to check whether they are in the same thing. And yeah, after I teach some control statements and operations in Python, I just give this to you as some homework. Okay, so you can just do it. And yeah, now this is set data type in Python. Now there is another data type called frozen set. And yeah, just forget one thing. In set there is functions in set. Like we can just do like s.remove, and we can write something like 1. Yeah, it's let us know. So yes, I'll just enclose this within quotations. Now if I play it, sorry guys, this just caused an error. Now I'll just play it. See, s has been removed. So we can remove and we can update it, or we can add it with values like update. See, update. just as the update in your Android mobiles or iPhone mobiles, like anything. You can just do something like some random like Z. Now here the Z will be added, see Z, it's added right here. So this is the use of the update function. And that's another type of sets are called frozen sets. We can just, instead of set right here, you can just put frozen. And yeah, the frozen set is the same as the set data type. The main difference is that the elements in the set data type can be modified using the update and, yeah, as I said, update and remove functions. But in the frozen set, the data cannot be modified. See, it just causes error. S dot update. See, frozen set object has no attribute update, so just causes some error. So the update and remove methods don't work on the frozen set since they cannot be modified or updated. These can be used if you don't want your data to be changed anyway, in any form. So this is what comes with the data types, guys. Set data type in Python. And in our next video, I will teach about a bit interesting forms of numerical forms of data, binal, octal, and hexadecimal in the next video. So thank you guys for watching. Now let's meet in another video, coding compass. So thank you guys for watching.